Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Dr. Ayesha Tariq. I'm a consultant dermatologist and aesthetic physician, and today I'll be talking about a very important topic which is frequently asked by my patients about vitamin C. People have lots of misconceptions about the product, so I'll be clearing all these in my this video. So what is vitamin C and how it is good for your skin? Vitamin C is an antioxidant and it kills the free radicals. So basically it is anti-aging product. And what does it do with your skin? Vitamin C makes your skin plumpy, radiant, glowy, and basically it makes collagen. So when we age, the collagen is depleted in our skin. Because of that, we can have fine lines, wrinkles, and saggy skin. So vitamin C makes collagen and helps in the reduction of these fine lines, wrinkles, and people who don't have these issues. It can prolong such issues in people who start using it earlier, like after the age of 25. Other than this, it's really good for hyperpigmentation, melasma, जिसको हम उर्दू में छाइयाँ कहते हैं, sunspots, sun tanning, freckles, इनके लिए ये बहुत अच्छा है. It works like a magic. And dark circles, I have treated my patients only with vitamin C, and trust me, results are visible after 3 months. Other than this, it prevents premature aging and reduces the inflammation in your skin and reduces the redness in your skin. So it has lots of benefits. So in which concentration you should use vitamin C? So knowing the right concentration is very essential in maximizing the effects of vitamin C. And it depends upon the skin type. And if you are a beginner, always start with lower concentrations. Somewhere between 5 to 10%, and once you are fine with it, you can gradually work up the concentration to up to 15% and 20%. And because vitamin C causes dose-related irritant contact dermatitis, so as a beginner, it's my advice to start with lower concentrations. How often and at what time you should apply vitamin C? So if I talk about time, I tell my patients try to use it at night because it makes your skin photosensitive and you can have itching and irritation, especially if you have sensitive skin. So try to use it at night, and always follow with a sunblock in the morning. And if I talk about how often, then for beginners, they should use twice in a week in the beginning, and then alternate nights, and then they can switch up to daily, but gradually build up your concentrations and frequency.
लगता है बाजार के खाने बहुत खाते हो.
जी डॉक्टर साहब,
मैं ये मेडिसिन प्रिस्क्राइब कर रहा हूँ, वो आप ले लेना.
अब कोई भी मसला हो तो मरहम से डॉक्टर की ऑनलाइन कंसल्टेशन बुक करो, क्योंकि डॉक्टर से बात होगी अब घर पर.
Whenever you try a new skin product or you start taking medicine for your skin, hair and nails, please don't get impatient, because these treatments, they take time. Results become visibly apparent at least after few weeks, 4 to 8 weeks. So it's again a very common question. My patients ask me that after how long we are going to see the results. So I always tell them, please wait till 3 months, be consistent with your regime, and you will see the results. And if I talk about vitamin C, then results become visibly apparent after 3 months, and you can have reduction in your fine lines, wrinkles, melasma, hyperpigmentation, and dark circles. You can have amazing results. What can be the side effects of applying vitamin C on your face? Well, people with sensitive skin, they can have tingling, irritation, and burning sensations. But again, they are very much preventable if you get the right dose and product prescribed by your dermatologist, and if you don't use the over-the-counter products. And also, always start with the lower concentrations and try to use vitamin C at night and apply little on your face, 1 drop on each side, because these products, they cause dose-related irritant contact dermatitis and burning. So how to pair your vitamin C with retinol? It's a very, very common and very repeatedly asked question. So when two skincare heroes, which are vitamin C and retinol, I call them the skin heroes, they meet to put all your skin issues to side. But the important thing is you should be knowing how to use vitamin C and retinol. So I tell my patients to use both of them on alternate days. And if you want to use them together, then the acids always go first on your skin. So always apply vitamin C. Wait for some time, like 5 to 10 minutes, and then apply retinol. And try to use them at night. Do the patch test before using retinol and vitamin C, and start with the lower concentrations and lower frequency. So I hope I have cleared all your doubts related to vitamin C. So don't forget to book an appointment with me and through Marham app. And also you can visit me at my clinic, which is situated in Bahia Town, Phase 7, very close to Shaheen Chowk. And you're more than welcome.